What I see too often is a lot of people tend to drop their price right down because they want to beat their competitors. And what's going to happen there is that that person then is going to be approached by someone else, and then they're going to knock you down. It's like a domino effect. And then in the end, the price gets lower and lower. And this is the problem today, is that the prices have gone down really low because it's a low value contract, because there's been too many people knocking each other down price wise. So then people think they can get things for nothing. And this is what's happened, and this is why I'm doing this training, because I want people, care providers, to be aware that their value is premium. So, position yourself, help clients solve their problems, achieve their goals, rather than just something that you're trying to sell to them.